Phrase 1. Close someone or something in something. Meaning. To contain someone or something in something or someplace. To seal someone or something inside something. Example. Don't close the bird in such a small cage. Don't close me in. Leave the door open. Phrase 2. Bring something off. Meaning. To cause something to happen. To carry out a plan successfully. Example. She brought off her plan without a hitch. Do you think you can bring it off? Phrase 3. Out of context. Meaning. Of an utterance or the report of an action, removed from the surrounding context of the event, thereby misrepresenting the intent of the utterance or report. Example. You took her remarks out of context. You're the dishonest person, not her. Phrase 4. A pack of lies. Meaning. A series of lies. Example. The thief told a pack of lies to cover up the crime. John listened to Bill's pack of lies about the fight and became very angry. Phrase 5. Have the devil to pay. Meaning. To have a great deal of trouble. Example. I came home after 3 a.m. and had hell to pay. If you cheat on your income taxes, you'll have the devil to pay. Phrase 6. To date. Meaning. Up to the present time. Example. I've done everything I'm supposed to have done to date. How much have you accomplished to date? Phrase 7. Improve upon something. Meaning. To make something better. Example. No one can improve on my favorite melody. Do you really think you can improve upon this song? Phrase 8. Pen someone or an animal up. Meaning. To confine someone to a confined space or an animal to a pen. Example. They penned up the dog during the day. He said he didn't want them to pen him up in an office all day. Phrase 9. A wealth of something. Meaning. A large amount of something. Example. There's a wealth of information on parrots at the library. The junkyard had a wealth of used car parts. Phrase 10. Rain down on someone or something. Meaning. To fall or drop down on someone or something like rain. Example. The ashes from the incinerator rained down on us, getting our clothes dirty. The hail rained down on us, some of it quite large.